Good morning everyone and welcome to this new video, another taste test, and today we are going down to my spiritual homeland, to the Welsh Pantry, Pantri, Cymreig, and there we go, 2 cheese and onion slices, a blend of cheddar and coloured cheese with a potato and onion wrapped in a flaky pastry. Ingredients, you can read the ingredients for yourselves there if you want. And here we go. There are no nuts in here. Guaranteed, no nuts. It is a nut-free factory. Excellent. It says for the best results, cook for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. For 15 minutes, which I've done it for 10 minutes. And I think if you did it for 15 minutes, you'd probably end up with rather black pasties. And this is the Welsh Pantry, Lantrasanth. It's a CF72 Cardiff postcode. So, let's see how it goes. The Welsh Pantry. Boroda and Sudachi, Dwawd, Bethan, Marcus and Andrew, if you're watching this. I hope that you're all well, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Right, what are they like inside? They don't look too bad, do they? Huh? Steaming hot. No, not like the Greggs ones where you need a tube of Savlon. That is lovely. The pastry is perfect. The filling has got plenty of flavour. Perhaps, like so many other things today, it could do with a little bit more salt, a little bit more seasoning. But beyond all that, lovely. Now you can see again, the filling is nice and hot, and plenty of it. this product came from B&M's and £1.09 for two. And I'm sure Greggs are much dearer than that for one. As are Copeland's. I think you're talking at least £1.50 for one. So they're a bargain. Really, really good. Pantri, Cymreig. Very nice. As I say, B&M's £1.09. Thumbs up. Can't go wrong. It's another grey and miserable day out there. Looks like it's going to rain again. What's new? They keep threatening us with snow, but it never comes. I'll just see what the other one's like. I can't see it being any different. As you can see again, look, there's so much filling in there. Amazing value. Let's have another bite. And I shall leave it at that. Thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, costs you nothing and it helps the channel grow. At 104 subscribed now, something I never expected but something I will be eternally grateful for. Thank you all for your kindness, and for those of you who comment, you're brilliant, absolutely. Click the like button if you've liked it, leave a comment in the box below and hit the bell icon for any future uploads, because there's going to be a lot of different things coming this year. There is. And just one word, I bet Mr. Phil Fletcher Stokes would like these. My friend and fellow poet out in Thailand. The Welsh Pantry awaits, my friend. And Anthony, thank you so much for all the comments on the videos. Truly appreciate it. Blessings to you, my friend. I'm just going to introduce you to someone who's been pestering me and keeps staring at me. 1 second. And here he is, look. This is Ted. This is Ted. My familiar and friend, aren't you? Eh? And now you're a star on YouTube, look mate, ain't you? And Layla down there. And here's Layla, look. Hello Layla. There she is. She wants some of my pasta. There you go, lads. Thank you all again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.